Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to unblock people on Facebook. So if you want to unblock people on Facebook, then it's a really simple process. So I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So first things first, you guys can head over to the Facebook app. And once you open the Facebook app, you're going to want to go to your menu. So click on the menu in the bottom right corner of the screen, and it'll show all the options in menu. And once you click on menu, it's going to bring you to the menu page. So go ahead and click on that. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page here, and you want to scroll down until you see the option for settings and privacy. Once you see the option for settings and privacy, you're going to want to click on that, and then you want to find the settings option out of these options right here. Once you find the settings option, go ahead and click on it. It's going to bring you to the settings and privacy page here, and you want to scroll down until you see the option for blocking. It should be in audience and visibility. So it should be the second last option in the audience and visibility, but once you find it, click on it, and it's going to show everybody that you've ever blocked. So, and you haven't unblocked. So if you find the person that you want to unblock, and then go ahead and click unblock to the right of their name, and then you want to click on unblock right here. Keep in mind though that you won't be able to block them for another 48 hours after you unblock them. But after you've unblocked them, they are now unblocked, and that is how you unblock people on Facebook. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.